but hear the voice. Anything but hear the voice. It was anything but hear the voice that says that we're all basically alone. People felt submission, had only good intentions. Put us by somebody's heart and turn into a playground. Petri dish, we sing ourselves, we swing the fist at anything that looks like easy praise. Nature show that rages every day was then the party's intuition say we were all basically alone. And despite what all the studies had shown, it's mistaken for closeness was just a case for mitosis. Presumption of mercy while others are praying for a shot. Tell me, doctor, can you quantify? He just wants to know the reason.